All right, welcome back. So we're gonna try example number 2. So in this example, we have to be careful because we're not given the original function g. We're actually given the function g prime. So this is not g. This is g prime. So make sure that we know that. So given x here, right? So they want us to use this to interpret the following and be able to find the following questions, right? So they're asking us to state the x values over which g prime is increasing. Well, they're giving us the actual function of g prime, so we know when this is increasing. This is increasing right here, right? It's going up, 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 up. It's going up right here. It's going up right here. So we see that here, here, those are the intervals where this is increasing, right? So we're gonna say from negative infinity to, let's see, this is negative negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So this is negative 6. So from negative infinity to negative 6, and then from negative 4 to 0, and then from, that's 2, 4, 6. So somewhere in here, that's 5. So from 5 all the way to x infinity, right? So we unite those two. The intervals from here to here, the function is increasing. The intervals from here to here, the function is increasing. And the intervals from here to here, the function is increasing, right? So that's what we found out, right? We told the reader where is the function increasing. Now what about where is g prime decreasing? Again, since they're giving us g in this case, we need to go ahead and find where it's decreasing, but it's the same argument as before. We know it's decreasing from here to here, right? The function is decreasing value from here to here, right? So that means that it's from negative 4, no, from negative 6 to negative 4, and then from 0 all the way to 5. So those are the two intervals where the function behavior is decreasing. So from negative 6 to negative 4, or from 0 to 5, right? We can also say this, right? Negative 6 to negative 4 bracket union from 0 to 5. Depends on the book that you're using. It's gonna give us different notation. The same thing is for the top, right? You can also say or. The computer should be able to read both of them from negative infinity to 6 open, and then union from negative 4 to 0 close, and from 5 to infinity, right? So either one will give us the right answer. So you should be able to write in that in both ways. And then lastly, the last two are state the x values over which g prime is constant. So since we're given g prime, right, we can see where is this constant. We can see that this is going to be, increasing from here to here. This is decreasing, but at some point here, it becomes constant, and then it's positive, and then constant, and then decreasing, and then constant, right? So we can say that this is going to happen at x equals negative 4, x equals 0, and x equals 5. And where is g double prime undefined? G is double undefined. G prime, g double prime is undefined at negative 6, right? So where is the derivative of this? The derivative of this is undefined, only at the intersection where it's unattached, right? So where is this connected? All right, so that's it for example number two. I hope you guys found